this is a quick tour around room 306 at the Travelodge Hemel Hempstead Gateway. So come into the room, on the left here is the bathroom. So standard Travelodge bathroom, toilet, sink, stand-up shower, shower curtain, couple of towels back there, and some hand soap and also some shower gel and shampoo mix there in the shower. Coming into the main part of the bedroom here, we've got a radiator on the wall. We've got a double bed, might be a king, no, double. So this is a double room. And we've got a desk area in the corner, TV on the wall there, mirror with a plug on there, and some place to hang your coats. Out of the window here, if I open it, oh no, can't open it. But we're on a main road, as you can see there, with a main roundabout there, so it might be a little bit noisy. And on the desk area, we've got a fan. We've got tea and coffee making facilities there. Chair, obviously. And one last look at the room. So it's quite compact, but I'm only here for one night, so it's good enough just to rest my head, get some sleep before getting some breakfast tomorrow morning.